Study flashcards utilize active for the general Saudi capital market to memorize and regulations, CME regulatory the flashcards track your progress. Here you can track your overall progress, which ones still require revision, and mock exams done. We offer chapter summaries, a quick cheat sheet, flashcards, and a mock exam engine to aid your study. The chapter summary section allows you to master the official syllabus with distilled expert content. It is fully aligned and covers all learning outcomes and topics. Here is an overview of Chapter 1, Introduction to the Capital Market Authority. Within each summary, key components are highlighted, such as examinable areas, common pitfalls, and specific exam tricks to help you focus on the most critical information for the test. Furthermore, we provide additional exam notes, all numerical values, and potential exam traps. This comprehensive structure ensures you cover all aspects necessary for success. The CME 1B course is organized into 8 chapters, covering topics from securities business regulations and authorization to anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing, ensuring a complete review of the standards. The quick cheat sheet provides essential definitions, thresholds, and timelines you need to memorize. You can easily navigate and search through definitions, rules, principles, prohibitions, key numbers, and exam traps. The flashcards are organized by topic, such as anti-money laundering and CTF, ensuring focused study and efficient mastery of the material. The Mock Exam Hub contains 200 questions across 4 unique mock exams with unlimited attempts. These exams are Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed, each designed to test different skills and knowledge domains. Before starting any mock exam, you'll see details like the time limit, number of questions, and the required pass mark. After submission, you can review detailed explanations for all questions. During a mock exam, you can easily track your progress and remaining time. Questions are presented in a clear multiple-choice format, mimicking the actual exam experience. After completing an exam, the detailed correction review provides instant feedback, showing the correct answer and a full explanation for each question, helping you understand where you went wrong. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is here to help you. It can answer questions about the course material, provide exam tips, or generate practice questions on specific topics.